relief after a very stressful week?
Do you want to go out of your comfort zone and do something adventurous?
Do you want to explore the hidden beauty of Bulacan?
Do you want to have some fun?
Join us as we discover the beauty of Pinagrilan Cave!
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili.
This cave is a subterranean network of caverns extending more than 1 kilometer deep.
Libong kulay nangangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Hi everyone, we're here in the middle of the Pinagrilan Cave, and as you see, it's very beautiful, it's cold. We're here with Mano, our tour guide. Yes, it's very fun. It's very fun!
Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na dumuduyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay
Alright, we can go further now because the water is kind of deep and we don't have extra clothes if you like to swim. Yes, come on, let's go. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, info bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, from New to Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check again, it's just Philippines, no one other. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, see pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas.
Pinagrilan Cave is truly a hidden beauty of nature.
Amazing!
If you want to come and visit Pinagrilan Cave, don't forget to bring flashlight, extra clothes for swimming, snacks, and latest cameras. So what are you waiting for?
Come and visit